Thanks for taking me here, guys. I needed this. I've just been under stress from the office.
And some of the reasons aren't your fault.
Yeah, really. No one gives a flying donkey crap about your problems.
Excuse me. What the hell? I'm the president. I can do whatever the fuck I want.
Honestly, if it weren't for you, I could have made this economy better, but no, you had to show up, you filthy dog. Go to hell.
Shut up, Hillary, no one cares.
Okay, everyone shut the hell up. I'm trying to think here. But I can't with you animals bickering back and forth. So shut up and let me clear my mind.
Shut up, you will never be the real man your mom is.
I will seriously climb over this table and kick your ass if you don't shut the hell up.
Bring it on, fat crap.